Did you know that over 60% of the fluids people pour into their gas tanks are not just useless, they are silent engine killers? I've personally tested these products inside fuel rails, injectors, and tanks. One additive brought a clogged injector back to life in under an hour and cut fuel costs by 12%. Another one destroyed sensors and wiped out a $2,500 catalytic converter. Today, I'm exposing 7 fluids that ruin engines, and at the end, I'll reveal 3 that actually work. Have you ever trusted a product just because everyone else uses it? Number 7. Marvel Mystery Oil. Marvel Mystery Oil has legendary status, but when it comes to cleaning fuel injectors, it simply doesn't deliver. This product is a lubricant, not a cleaner. It helps keep pumps and upper cylinders slick, which may slow future deposits, but it does nothing to remove baked-on carbon. If carbon has already built up, Marvel won't touch it. Your idle stays rough, your fuel economy keeps dropping. Your money goes straight down the drain. To be fair, in a newer engine, a small amount for added lubrication isn't terrible, but if you're trying to restore lost power or mileage, you're using the wrong tool. For real cleaning, you need, are you paying for a big name instead of real results? If you've made it this far, you actually care about protecting your engine. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me what additives you've tried. It really helps the channel grow. Number 6. Seafoam Motor Treatment. Seafoam has been around since the 1940s, and a lot of people swear by it. But here's the truth, it does not properly clean modern fuel injectors. Seafoam doesn't contain PEA, the only detergent proven to dissolve hard carbon deposits. Instead, it relies on pale oil, naphtha, and alcohol. These may loosen light buildup, but they can't break down baked-on carbon. In many cases, they just move debris somewhere else, creating new problems. It's fine for small engines or fuel stabilization, but for modern cars and trucks, the results are underwhelming at best. Number 5. Rubbing alcohol. You've probably heard this hack, pour rubbing alcohol into your gas tank to remove water. Sounds clever, but it's risky. Alcohol dries out rubber seals, cracks O-rings, and weakens plastic components. It also doesn't dissolve heavy carbon deposits. Instead, it breaks them loose, clogging injectors and fouling spark plugs. Yes, in an emergency, it might help remove moisture, but as a regular fuel treatment, it causes far more damage than it's worth. Number 4. Cheap fuel injector cleaners. Those $3 bottles at gas stations are pure bait. Most are filled with cheap solvents like kerosene or alcohol, and no PEA. At best, they remove light surface grime. At worst, they break carbon into chunks that clog injectors or destroy catalytic converters. Add to that reduced octane and engine knock, and you've got a recipe for expensive repairs. Is saving $5 today worth a $2,000 repair tomorrow? Number 3. Octane boosters. Most engines don't need them. Your engine's computer already adjusts ignition timing automatically. Many boosters raise octane by only 1 or 2 points, barely noticeable. Some cheaper boosters contain solvents that damage oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. If your engine knocks, switching to mid-grade fuel is safer and cheaper. Number 2. Diesel fuel in gas engines. This mistake happens more often than you think. Diesel does not burn properly in a gasoline engine. It coats spark plugs, gums injectors, and damages fuel pumps. If you accidentally pump diesel, do not start the car. Tow it and drain the tank. Driving even a short distance can turn a small mistake into a $3,000 repair. Number 1. Water. Water is the silent killer hiding in fuel systems. It causes rust, injector corrosion, freezing fuel lines, and in severe cases, hydrolock, where the engine destroys itself instantly. Protect yourself by buying fuel from busy stations, keeping your tank above a quarter full, and checking your gas cap seal regularly. If this video is helping you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Fuel additives that actually work, PEA-based. Number 3. BG44K, a professional-grade cleaner trusted by dealerships. Heavy PEA concentration dissolves stubborn carbon and restores performance. One can treats up to 20 gallons and lasts up to 7,500 miles. Number 2. Royal Purple Max Clean, combines PEA cleaning with fuel stabilization. Ideal for vehicles that sit for long periods, protects and cleans for up to 10,000 miles. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus, the gold standard. Chevron invented PEA technology, and automakers like GM, Honda, BMW, and Kia recommended by name. Cleans injectors, valves, and combustion chambers safely and effectively. Some fluids protect your engine, others slowly destroy it. Now you know which is which. Drop a comment and tell me what additives you've tried, what worked and what didn't. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.